To quickly switch between running applications on your iPad, merely swipe upwards with 4 fingers to open your applications tray. Here, you can drag left or right to look through your running applications. Tapping on one will bring you to that application. If you have multitasking gestures disabled, you can still access your apps tray at any time by double-clicking on the Home button. If you're ever looking for something, you can simply pull down from the top of the home screen with 2 fingers to access the search bar, where you can search through applications, photos, and more. Apple's autocorrect automatically fixes spelling errors as you type. If you were to type principles instead of principles, for instance, autocorrect automatically fixes it when you space on the next word. Sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. However, if you for some odd reason find the need to use principles, then you can tap on the autocorrect bubble to dismiss it. If you're ever looking at something on your iPad that you want to save, try taking a screenshot. Just tap the Home and Power buttons simultaneously to snap a photo of whatever's on your screen. Then, you can go to Photos and edit it however you like. One of iOS7's new features is the Control Center. At any time, merely drag up from the bottom of the screen to quickly access settings like brightness, Wi-Fi, Do Not Disturb, and Bluetooth. If you find yourself accessing a website over and over again in Safari or any other browser, you can use Safari's Export button to put a link to the website on your home page. Headline, for instance. Updating all your applications individually can be an inconvenience for some. If you don't want to have to manually update all your applications from the App Store, you can go to Settings, then the App Store settings, and enable automatic updates. If you find the text on your iPad's display illegible, or otherwise too small, you can go to the Settings menu and change the dynamic font size, which will affect most applications. If you need really big text, you can enable large fonts in the Accessibility menu. The iPad has a keyboard shortcut that inserts a period then a space. Just tap twice on the space bar, and the iPad will automatically end your sentence and start a new one. If you don't want to be bothered by notifications, the iPad has a Do Not Disturb option accessible in the Control Center that disables notification banners. However, you still receive the notifications in the background and may access them normally. You can also, in the Settings menu, set a scheduled Do Not Disturb for each day. For instance, if you wanted to schedule no notifications during school or sleep.